were living in Pursavakam area. I wanted a flat in and about Pursavakam area, Kelly's, Kill Park, Ainavaram and all. When I came to know that Vijay Shanti is building a flat opposite ESI Hospital, Ainavaram, since I know them for the past 20 years, their growth, since it is built by Vijay Shanti, I don't have second thoughts at all. I wanted to buy the flat from Vijay Shanti. Then I immediately booked the flat.
We were at the own house. We passed this way, we saw the advertisement, Vijay Shanti's. First time we went their office. The way they customer care, we are very much satisfied. So that at the time I decided to buy one flat in Vijay Shanti.
He wants to buy our own flat, and he has a lot of friends in construction field. They suggested us to buy a flat, and we liked this project, and we booked it. And we are the first owner. We booked this flat, and we are very proud to say that we are the first owner of this Fountain Square.
Hi, I am Malar. Actually, I booked an apartment in Lotus Pond, double bedroom flat. It is very impressed because it is a main IT corner, and amenities and facilities are very good. I went saw the site first. It's very peaceful and price is very affordable and best for my.
My life's ambition is to get a new own house. So I thought to book an apartment. One of my friends suggested Vijay Shanti Builders, and I went there. Their customer satisfaction inspired me very much. So I booked a flat. The price is suitable for the middle class people also. So I'm very happy, and now I am having my own dream house. I had a thought of buying an apartment. Then one of my friends suggested for Vijay Shanti Builders. Okay, let me go and visit the site. I just visited the site there. Then the executives explained all those details, everything to me. Yeah, of course, the first impression is the best impression, they said. On the spot itself, I booked the apartment there in Vijay Shanti itself. The quality and the service is very good.
I'm in a construction business. I know everything about the equipment of the construction, like landscape and amenities. And I went to see the Vijay Shanti Builders. It's very much great about the amenities and landscape. I am very much satisfied, and it is a great project.
For the last 11 years we are residing here. This is great to feel, and we are comfortable here. They use the nooks and corners of this the house. The carpet area is well planned, and it's very satisfied for us to live here.
Hi, this is Shiva here. I'm a part of Vijay Shanti family for the last 11 years. 11 years before when we decided to buy a flat, the first builder which came into our mind was Vijay Shanti Builders. So since this being our first flat, we took so many things into consideration. So Vijay Shanti is one builder which ensures quality, and the plan has been made in perfect way such that each and every, there is no dead space actually in this flat. Each and every corner has been utilized well. And moreover, car park has been designed beautifully so that there has never been an issue with car park. So the still floor car park was something amazing which really helps us a lot. As far as this flat design is concerned, they have ensured ventilation on equal four sides. Cross ventilation has been fantastic, and natural lighting, which is the major issue nowadays, has been excellent. Even during this power failure also, we never felt any heat inside our flat, and it was a fantastic journey and value for money. Our flat is appreciated like anything. So if you think about Vijay Shanti, it is guarantee for money. It's a safe bet. It has been a very nice experience for us. Our flat has been maintained very well, and there has never been any maintenance issue with this.
When I think of Vijay Shanti, the first thing that comes to my mind is you specify your budget and they have various options at various localities for you. The second thing, they make you feel very much at home. Any changes you suggest, it's taken with an open smile. With Vijay Shanti, you too can own a house.
I would like to introduce myself as a proud owner of the very first project of Vijay Shanti Builders, which is Gauri Chitra Garden, built in the year 1991. And I'm proud to say that even after 21 years, we are very proud to live in this landmark building in this locality, which is only because of Vijay Shanti Builders that we could settle down in such a posh locality. And the main advantage of Vijay Shanti Builders is their competitive pricing, because of which many of the middle class families have a roof of their own. But for Vijay Shanti Builders, it won't be possible to settle down at such localities in the city at such a competitive price. And their personal rapport with each and every customer of theirs has helped them to grow to such a high level in the building community today. Because even after 21 years, they maintain a personal rapport with each and every customer, and they can refer them by names, which hardly any other builder even knows all their customers. So that has been the secret of their success, and they have grown leaps and bounds today in this industry. It is only because of their hard work and their credibility and the quality of their construction, and completing their projects on time within the cost that has been given in their agreements without any further escalation and all the other facilities. So I'm really proud that I have been a owner in this particular project, which was their very first, and I wish them all the best in all their future projects.
Their landscaping, then planning, everything is good.
The customer service is very nice. Immediately we decided to buy a flat.
Now I am having my own dream house.
Value for money, it's a safe bet.
I wish them all the best in all their future projects.